Japan came into the modern era as a warrior class, where we came into the modern era as an intellectual kind of group. And because you got to understand, Confucianism started 2,000 years ago. China started with Confucianism and ended with communism. And then we started with Buddhism, and then we ended with Confucianism. And so the Japanese came and just took our art and took our country. And what they left was, and this is interesting for you, hopefully as martial artists, here are three basic martial arts, which was Judo, Kendo, and Karate. Okay? In Korean, Karate, and the one thing you have to understand is Japan, Korea, and China, we all use Chinese characters. So all this stuff you're seeing, see all that, right? Those are all Chinese characters. And those are each one of them is an ideogram. And we still use them because traditionally in ancient times there were over 200,000 individual characters. Okay? Over 200,000. You have to memorize 200,000 characters. You know how many words you know, vocabulary? Anybody know on the average? How many thousand words?
Around 10 to 20, I believe.
10 to 20,000? Really? I think it's, okay, well, even if you say 10,000, it's definitely not 200,000, right? And each one of them means an entire concept. It is not a sound, it's not a word, it's a whole concept. So we still use it today because really words can't replace those ideas. When you say karate, do, in Korean we use the character, we can all communicate. We know what they means. Kara meaning empty, te means hand, and do means wave. So it means wave, empty hand. In Korean we say gongsudo. Gong means empty, su hand, do wave. And then also that same gongsudo, the idea, came tangsudo. And Tang means way of Chinese hand. At one time, China was the Tang dynasty. So it's the way of the Tang dynasty hand, right? And then Kendo means way of sword, right? And so in Korean we say Gomdo, means the same thing. And Judo means soft way. In Korean we say Yudo. In Korean, Judo means actually way of drinking. Okay, we have a, but you know, it's a different character, but we pronounce it Ju, and that's why all our drinks, I teach you some Korean, right? You know, all our alcoholic drinks are soju. Soju, you ever heard of soju? Yeah. Huh? All right? Yeah. You see, you know, and Korean cuisine is not only for Koreans anymore. It's just they've really blown up to outside the Korean community. Soju, 맥주, beer, 양주, you know, so all the Ju. So that Ju means. The reason why we also have something like the way of drinking is because there is a whole set of etiquette rules and things that you have to do while you're drinking. It's very social, and it is part of our culture. So there are rules that you cannot break. All right. So those three were left behind, and so they still prevail today. So much of the modern martial art that you see in Korea, like Taekwondo and so forth, is to me, and the reason for my father, one of his reasons for leaving Korea and coming to the United States is because of that. In 1970, in the early 70s, what happened was they made, there is by the name of, you don't have to remember all this. There was a general who did very well in the Vietnam campaign, during the Vietnam War. Then the president at that, then President Park, who is, in our culture, he was like the Stalin of Russia. Very